2 in 1 day. We just got another 5-star review yesterday on our Longevity and Vitality Chews. Let's read the review. It's from Corey. It says, "My dog loves them. I have a long coat German Shepherd who can be very picky with her food, and she loves her chews. She seems very energetic and happy. We love the peace of mind with her getting such healthy ingredients." Thanks so much for leaving a review, Corey. Every review is a win, so if you want to share your experience with your Longevity and Vitality Chews, we love your feedback. Thanks.